Welcome back on Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share today's junior science teacher BPS-14 salt paper that was conducted by SIBA Testing Services on 11th April 2026. Yesterday, I had uploaded JST paper 1, so this is JST paper 2. So question number 10, some questions are missing, sorry for that. If you find any mistake in the answers, just comment. Question number 10, identify the sentence with the correct punctuation. And the correct answer is D. Allama Iqbal, the poet of the East, is famous for his poetry. Now comes questions from general knowledge. Question number 11. Identify the continent referred to as the frozen desert. And the correct option is B. Antarctica. Antarctica. Question number 12. The continent is referred to as an island continent. And the correct option is Australia. C option is correct here. Question number 13. The value of imported goods, for example, machinery, oil, is significantly higher than the value of exported goods, for example, textile, rice. The situation best describes a persistent problem known as, and the correct option is trade deficit. B option is correct here. Question number 14. The Suez Canal connects which two bodies of water? And the correct option is B. Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Question number 15. The term scarcity in the economics is defined as, and the correct option is D. Unlimited wants and limited resources. Question number 16. The water apportionment accord of 1991 deals with the distribution of water resources among, and the correct option is D. The provinces of Pakistan. Question number 17. The Muhammad Ali Bogra formula was presented as a framework for B. A federal constitution. Question number 18. If a new national campaign successfully encourages the use of locally manufactured goods over imported luxury items, the most direct result will be, and the correct option is A. An improvement in the trade balance and support for domestic industries. Question number 19. Analyze the functions of the United Nations organs and determine which is the most powerful in the matters of the international peace and security, explaining why. And the correct option is B, the Security Council, because its 5 permanent members have veto powers. Question number 20. The climate region with severe winters, short, cool summers, and vegetations like mosses and lychees is called, and the correct option is C, Tundra region. Now comes questions from part 3, teaching and learning pedagogies. Question number 21. Linking science lessons with the local ecosystem shows, and the correct option is C, real life link. Subscribe to Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel. Now comes question number 22. The ability of a teacher to maintain students' attention by changing voice, gesture, and activities is called, and the correct option is B, stimulus variation. Question number 23. Smiles and praise shows reinforcement. B option is correct here. Question number 24. The teacher explains but students stay confused, which refers to a lack of, and the correct option is clarity. C option is correct. Question number 25. The following teaching method use real life situations, and the correct option is case study. Question number C option is correct. Question number 26. Internal communication within institutions are done through, and the correct option is local area network. A option is correct, LAN. Question number 27. Emotional self-regulation develops significantly during, and the correct option is early childhood. Not early childhood, but adolescence. C option is correct here. Question number 28. According to Piaget, the stage in which children begin to think logically about concrete events is called, and the correct option is 28, concrete operational. Question number 29, not performance assessment. Question number 29, performance assessments requires students to demonstrate knowledge and skills, including the process they use to solve problems. Which of the following is not an example of performance assessment? And the correct option is B, achievement test. Question number 30, a teacher notices a student excels in lab experiments. Which strategy would would best support the students? And the correct option is D, assign more lectures. Question number 31, two adolescents respond differently to the same peer pressure situations that suggest differences in, and the correct option is social self perception. C option is correct. Sorry, B option is correct. Options are different. Question number 32, the following best defines a student learning outcome, and the correct option is specific statement of what students achieve. D option is correct. Options, so you should clearly look at the options in the images. So I have modified the images. Question number 33, if a teacher assigns a lesson plan of engineering visual arts, which stream skills are applied here? And the correct answer is C, problem solving and creativity. Question number 34, the best method to assess students' collaboration during a PBL, project based learning project, is, and the correct option is peer assessment and reflection portfolios. Question number 35, Bloom's digital taxonomy is, and the correct option is a hierarchy of thinking skills. A hierarchy of thinking skills. Question number 36, the following statements are about formative assessments except, and the correct option is assigning grades at the end. It is used to assign marks and grades at the end of a term or a year. A option is correct. Question number 37, effective feedback should be specific, timely, and actionable. A option is correct here. So these are the some of the MCQs. Three MCQs are missing. Stay connected for more videos. Now questions from biology. Question number 49. This is question number 49, non 38. Question number 49. A report of newborn with Down syndrome shows an error in gamete formation. This observed condition is most likely the results of, and the correct option is improper segregation of homologous chromosomes. A. Question number 50. During a field trip in a desert ecosystem, researchers observed a decline in the population of secondary consumers, snakes. The most likely consequences will be, and the correct option is A, increase in the population of primary consumers. Question number 51, the correct sequence of urinary excretion is, and the correct option is kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. C option is correct here. Question number 52, the temperature beyond optimum reduces the enzyme's functions because, and the correct option is it alters the enzyme's structure. Now questions from uh, part 5, chemistry. Question number 53, which method can be used to separate a mixture of salt and water to obtain both parts of the mixture? And the correct option is B, distillation. Question number 54, work done by a thermodynamic system is a state function, and the correct option is B, false. Question number 55, electricity is passed through a concentrated aqueous sodium chloride. Inert electrodes are used. What is formed at the negative electrode? And the correct option is C, hydrogen. Question number 56, Burning fossil fuels releases heat energy. Which substance is not a fossil fuel? And the correct option is B, hydrogen. Question number 57. What is maximum mass of chromium Cr that can be obtained from 76 gram of chromium 3 oxide? And the correct option is 52 gram. B option is correct. Question number 58. Which of the following is an example of a neutral salt? And the correct option is A, NaCl. Now questions from mathematics. Question number 75. The output of an AND gate is high when all inputs are 1. Question number 76. Stationary waves are formed due to, and the correct option is B, refraction of a wave from a rigid boundary. Answer of question number 75 is also A, all inputs are high. B option is correct here. Questions from mathematics 77. Junaid and Sarfraz have singing class every 4th day and 10th day respectively. They were both together today. They will be together again after, and the correct option is 20 days. C option is correct. Question number 78. The amount of money initially deposited into an account or the amount of money borrowed from a lender is called, and the correct option is principal amount. C. Question number 79. A shopkeeper marks his goods 20% above the cost price and offers 15% discount. His gain profit is, and the correct option is 2%. B option is correct. Question number 80. The degree of the term 5x square yz is, and the correct option is 4. C. Question number 81. The point of interaction of all three interval bisectors of an angle of the angles is called, and the correct option is in center. C. Question number 82. There are 60 passengers in the first cabin of the train, 100 in the second, and the 140 in the third cabin. New number of passengers in the 10th cabin is, and the correct option is 660. B. Question number 83. The surface area of a cube-shaped carton of a soaps with a length of an edge of 5 units is, and the correct option is 150 square units. C. Question number 84. I have to work for 500 minutes a day at my workplace. If I reach at 9:15 a.m. today, then I should leave at, and the correct option is 5:35. 8 hours 20 minutes. Question number 85. Price of milk and wheat were in the ratio 3 to 2. If the price of wheat increase by 50%, then the ratio will be, and the correct option is 1 to 1. A. Question number 86. When a dice is rolled twice, the number of simple points will be, and the correct option is 36. Question number 87. If the increase in one quantity causes a decrease in the other quantity, then they are called inverse proportion. B. Question number 88. The roots of equation x square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0 are, and the correct option is real and equal. B option is correct here. Now questions from computer, only 3 questions. Question number 89. The number system used by digital computers to process quantitative information is, and the correct option is binary. Question number 90. What do we call a compute program that can spread across computers and networks by making copies of itself? And the correct option is worm. A. Question number 91. In a database table, a single row will be called, and the correct option is record. Subscribe to Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel. If I get remaining MCQs, I will upload it soon. Thank you. Please provide your valuable feedback in the comment box. Thank you.